The birth of a river first starts from underground. The pressure rising up, the pressure rising up, always coming up. The birth of a river. From the deepest depths, through the strata, higher and higher, pushed, squeezed, refined, purified, from the deepest of the depths, from the darkest of beyond, ever upwards, ever forward, ever upwards, ever forward, ever upwards, ever forward. Seeing sun for the first time through the leafy trees on the mountainside. The water tumbles and plays. It has no choice. It falls down mossy stones, slippery steps, further onwards, now liberated from underneath the ground. Providing habitat, providing water, creating life, tumbling, playful, swirling, fast, deep, slow, shallow. The water pushing on. Preparing for the next phase. Slowing. Slowing. Cracking under the ice. The snow falls. The river freezes. The trout lie still. The sound of cracking ice, pushing against the strains of nature, grinding rocks. The trout lies still. The winter is long. The river slows. The ice thickens. Looking, hoping, wishing to return from solid to liquid. Eventually receiving the gift. Tumbling towards the waterfall. The highness of the plateau, the abruptness of the fall, Soon the water starts to tumble down, breaking free from the land. A mist rising, pulverized droplets of water, smashing into stones, bouncing, glowing, creating rainbows. The waterfall, abrupt but short, soon the river finds equilibrium. The deepness of the pool, the color of the water, bringing calm, serenity in life for a time. The river matures, takes on a magic of its own. Bridges are built, and cars speed over top, unaware of the life beneath their tires. Bouncing from rocks, dodging boulders, creating eddies, speeding up, slowing down. Forever changing. The boys camping by the river. At night hear the rocks move under the relentless wave. Talk of ghost stories and fear. Finally realizing the river is doing what the river does, move. Just as we get wide, as we get old, the river widens. Its collective knowledge and wisdom now for display. Wide and slow, its current seems hardly to move, but it is moving. It is deep. It has now collected stories from under the earth, from above the earth, from inside and from outside, providing life, in some case taking life, a shelter, a place of life. Marching now towards the ocean, closer and closer to its final destination. The back pressure from the waves momentarily slow the march. At last, it's home.